Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the text format on your Notes app. If this guide helps, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up the Notes app on our phone. We're going to start our note like normal and we're going to start typing whatever it is that we want to save or add to our notes. Now what you're going to do is you're going to double tap on your text like so, and at the bottom you have this little icon right here on the left, so selected, and then here you're going to see every single format option that you have on your notes. So you can make it a little bit bigger by selecting the title option. You can make it a heading, a subheading. If it's simply the body of your text, you can also pick that. If you want it mono-styled, you can also do that now. And then at the bottom, you can pick to make it bold, italic, and you can also choose to add a line or to add a line right in the middle of your text. Now you have different options as well. You can change the color of your text to purple, pink, orange. This is a new feature, by the way, or blue. And you can bring your text to the left, to the middle, and you can also add bullet points or numbers to your text. So it's all about playing with the little format options that you have on your phone. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.